Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the weapon detection and recognition using machine learning. So we have to run the Python file like weapon detection.py, and then we have to give the input video. Like we have to copy the path of the input video. Okay, just copy the path and paste in the terminal, and also enter the video name, okay, .mp4, and then press enter. So the model will load and it will detect the weapon and it will recognize it. Okay, so in that we are giving the input video and it will detect the weapon from that particular video. Okay, you can provide any input video and the model will detect the weapon. Okay, so you can see like it is detecting the weapon. And we can also add the SMS, like if the person is handling any weapon, then it will send a alert message, alert SMS on register mobile number, and it will also give the beep sound. Okay, this is the complete project, and this is the input video which we are giving to the model. Let's give another video. Open the terminal, then run the Python file, Python space weapon detection.py, and give the enter location of the video. So just open the properties and copy the location, okay, and paste in the terminal with the video file name .mp4 and press enter. So it is detecting the weapon from the input video, like this is weapon. We can send the alert message or alert beep sound with the detection of the any weapon. And let's open the input video. So we are giving that input video. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, Android, Java. Okay, if you are searching a type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or if you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Yeah, this is the complete project you can use for your final year projects. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.